A very good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to do the Impact Hour 24 in Auroville. And the person whom I'm going to interview today, he's called Vinesh, who's the founder of the CBD store in India and also Soma Flora. So Soma Flora is too many things, and he'll be the right person to explain us, and he'll be showing us the place today, which people can come and check it out. So let's meet him today and know what are his brands.
Yeah, hey guys, how are you? So, first thing I would like to tell you about who I am. I am Vinesh and I run www.cbdstore.in, which is currently South Asia's largest medical cannabis store where you can consult our medical panel and they will talk to you. They will check your history, your medical conditions and everything, and they will give you a prescription, and you will be able to purchase a medical cannabis for your health. And I would also like to talk to you today about a project I undertook, which is very close to my heart, something which I am basically madly in love with, right? So I launched this brand called Soma Flora. Now I'll tell you where it comes from, what's the idea behind it, and everything, right? So in ancient India, uh, there was a psychotropic drink. It was called Somras or Soma. Uh, Now, obviously, a lot of the plants which were in the original Soma have gone extinct, right? So to recreate it as it was is near bits impossible. But I think of this, right? What was the essence behind it all? What was the whole what was it all about really? This was a time when you could be walking on the streets of ancient India and you would find somebody playing the veena, somebody playing the sitar. You would find beautiful people doing Bharatnatyam. You would find a lot of mandalas everywhere and yantras, right? Basically it was a celebration of beauty and a celebration of life. And when I made the brand Soma Flora, that is what I was aiming at, to bring back a part of our history, a part of our civilization which was lost for so long. And this time it returns in the form of medical cannabis. And it's an effort. It's an effort to remind us all where we come from, the roots of where we, what makes us who we are. It's a reminder that our ancestors, with music, they celebrated the sound when stops, huh? With smell, obviously, whether you read in all the Ayurvedas, they used to use betel, they used to use aroma oils and all. There are still stores in Lucknow which trace back thousands of years of history. So India was a place which celebrated the senses, and I want Soma Flora to be a reminder of that. A reminder that uh, there is absolutely nothing wrong in the pursuit of absolute satisfaction of your senses, and each one of you is entitled to do it, and there is absolutely no reason you shouldn't.
Wow, you really explained the name of your brand so beautifully, Vinesh. We again welcome you to Impact Hour 24. And to begin with, we would like to know uh, a little bit about your journey before this. What made you get here in life, and what was the inspiration behind fighting for something which has so much of stigma around it, but then you could recreate it into a beautiful thing, and bringing it back into the industry.
Yeah.
That is beautiful. So we would like to know your journey before this.
Sure. So I share with you guys how I personally came upon how my life was impacted personally by this whole culture and civilization. So until the age of say about 20, I was had never used cannabis, and I was very, how would you call it, always angry, always stressed. Would think he said this, she said that, and always frustrated. And I was genuinely depressed. It wasn't a good place to be. So when cannabis came in my life, right, it first of all it helped me deal with a lot of mental health issues like that, as I mentioned, depression and stress. right? And moreover, it was not just the substance. I'll tell you what was even more, way more special, right? It was the friends that I met, the people that I came across, right? They introduced me to some amazing music, whether it was concerts from Woodstock. And back in those days, YouTube would not stream so easily, so it would be like everybody sitting on that guy's home whose internet is working good today, and and having a good time watching really beautiful music videos, and and playing table tennis, playing guitar. I learned so much in that circle, in that way of life. I was I found books by Osho, and that also made me think that where was this all this while? This is what really started it. It was a thought which said, "Hey, why did I come across this so late in life at the age of 20? I should have been born into this civilization. This is basically our home. It wasn't something that we were doing that was alien. This was something that is embedded in the Indian civilization for thousands of years, a celebration of life, right? And I saw that whether it was in the uncles who would come and yell at people who would be smoking in the gardens and all, I saw that there was this stark need to really change the perception, to bring in a new era, to bring in an era that no longer condemns the pursuit of happiness, basically.
That's a very bold thing to think about.
Okay. So yeah, that's what the end goal of that's why I did what I did, and I can prove to you this. Start to you see, this is a mantra to the Soma Devta from the Rig Vedas, and I got this done 6 years back.
It's beautiful.
So I've always been aiming, since I've been introduced to this world, I've always been aiming to, so that every person I come across, then may they also see the beauties that I have seen, because everybody deserves to be happy, and so that everybody becomes happy, we are doing this.
So, when did you think about finding the company, and when did you start this company? And can you tell us a little bit about your startup or your organization?
Okay, so before I started CBD Store India, I was pursuing a career in combat sports, and at that time, my coach, he had asked about CBD,
Okay.
right? And the moment I heard this, I was like, hey, maybe this will get me in his good graces, right? So I searched online how to get CBD and stuff. So I started ordering CBD, right? And I soon found the dropship model through various American companies. The first one was Discover CBD. Gradually, it was also Hemp King, Peacock CBD, right? And they allowed me to send their products, to dropship the products, basically. And what I noticed while I started doing this initially with a perspective to, sell to the combat sports world, that was basically my field of vision at that time, right?
Right.
People started reaching out to me, saying, hey, I want this for my kid who has epilepsy. Somebody saying, hey, I want this for my father who's suffering from Parkinson's. Somebody saying, I have like severe degenerative arthritis, I require it, right? So this actually made me realize that there was something more to this. I will be very honest, I do not come from a very deep, long history of the medical side of cannabis. This is something only in about June 2019, around that time, that I have been aware of. It has come to my field of vision, right? And as soon as I figured it would be nice to put up a website for them, so they can basically, everybody in India can get the same benefits. And then we created the site. But now it's been over a year, and we are the biggest store in India and in South Asia. So now I've come across a crossroads where I think, hey, God has blessed me with this position. Now I need to do something more with this. So which is why we even started a section called Body and Soul Transformation, where you can learn from experts in music, you can learn from experts in yoga, from experts in sports, in dancing. So, and basically, well, you're not just, we don't want to just give you some CBD or some Vijaya and be like, okay, bye bye. No, not like that. we want to legit transform your life, make sure you're the happiest person you possibly can be. And to that effect, we are going far. We are getting hemp clothing, we are getting every little thing, hemp protein and all for your health. Literally every little thing that we can do, we are putting our best effort. And if you feel there is something more we can do, reach us out, info@cbdstore.in. I'm always here to hear you out.
So I saw that when I was researching about your website, Vinesh, I saw the benefits written for women and written for pets.
Yes.
And for various stakeholders in the society, it is beneficial in different ways. It has a multi-purpose advantage.
Yeah.
So how do you wish to scale in that area? Because every area is so huge, right?
Yes.
So can you just tell our viewers about the pets part and the women part, and how is it helpful, if you can, a little bit?
Of course. So there are two aspects in terms of helping women out that we carry out. One is through empowerment. In this case, we take initiatives such as with your organization, where we would supply hemp yarn, so women from your organization can create some nice hemp products, and we sell them on our store. Make sure there is a bit of an economy running over there.
Right.
And even we source products currently also several times from very women friendly, which have a large amount of women employees,
Right.
right, who create there is one company in Uttarakhand which makes hemp paper from us, and they
Right.
use largely tribal women to do this,
Amazing.
right? So one is in that part, sourcing part. The second is we also create products which are very beneficial for women. So one which we are so proud of is through our affiliation with Sisters of the Valley. So Sister Kate of Sisters of the Valley reached out to us and told us that she wants to create a product which will help the women of India. And
Beautiful.
we heard her out, and we went through the Ayurvedic books. We created formulations which would be very helpful to women's causes, which would help them during tough times such as menopause, and when during high stress. So it was that is one of our one of in fact the tincture is called Vijaya Yuvati, which means medical cannabis for the female, right? It has shatavari, which helps in balancing the hormones. So one is definitely that we also create other products for women such as balms, because we understand that a lot of women through aging and through work and stuff do suffer from several body aches. And the balms that we create, we make sure that they resonate. They don't feel basically they smell good, they feel good on the skin, that it's not just that it's pumped up with Vijaya. We make sure it's a pleasant experience. We take in consideration of the fact,
Right.
right? And uh, yeah, so that's
And the pets.
oh yes.
Yes.
So for pets, we have created something super special. We are the first company in the world with our affiliation with Mayur from Hamstro. Shout out to my bro. Right, we made a catnip and CBD infused tincture, because
Beautiful.
I have cats. I know like just how hard it is to feed a cat anything. Forget CBD, even feeding a cat a treat, it doesn't. Have you tried feeding a cat some medicine or some pill? My God, it's like you need to wear leather gloves and stuff for that, or your hands are mauled. So that's one of the products we have. We also have from Hemstrol some really nice full spectrum pet CBD. So Hemstrol is the only company in India currently which provides full spectrum CBD. And full spectrum does not mean it has THC, it means it has a multiple spectrum of cannabinoids such as CBG, CBN, CBC. And we have managed to make sure for your dogs we have a full spectrum CBD also.
Wow.
Yeah.
So I think not just humans, but even pets are going to be happy with this startup.
Yes,
Yes.
definitely, definitely.
So how are you planning to scale this?
In several ways. One of the ways which we have just undertaken is, and this also relates to the women empowerment part, is that we are sending hemp paper to female artists around the country. they paint on it, and we sell it. You just send us photos, we sell it. We send a ship rocket guy to your place, pick it up, take it to the customer, you know.
Perfect.
So if you are a female artist, you want to want to get some sales and stuff, and are willing to paint on hemp paper, we'll send it to you free. So that's also one thing we are doing, which will help us scale up also, because it will help us reach out to more and more people also.
Right.
Right. And other things we are doing to scale up is, definitely we are going high on the content. We are researching all the time. We are working with doctors to find out which for which ailment specifically what combinations work, whether it's just Vijaya or it's Vijaya with some pharmaceutical medicine or some Ayurvedic medicine or some homeopathic medicine. So we are constantly studying each and every one of our cases. You come to us, it's not like I said, it's not that we just sold you the CBD and it's over. It's like that's just the beginning of the journey.
Right.
After that, we are with you all the way. Yeah.
And Vinesh, it's also like I'm so delighted to share this that with what all you have explained till now, your organization also resonates with the United Nations and the goals, because this involves women empowerment, which is the goal I'm working with, which is gender equality. You're empowering women, and there are so many free educational events that you're doing through teaching and through healing. So that comes under quality education. And then goal number 12, which is responsible production and consumption. And also goal number 17, which is partnerships. So like that, I think you are impacting many goals of United Nations as well, and we should work together on this to align the goals and affiliate to them.
Yes.
And so my last question is, if I'm a random person and if I go onto your store, what is the process to follow? What I understood is, finding a doctor's, and then finding the kind of medicine that you want to go for. So can you just explain me that process?
So when you visit our website, you can choose whether you relate to Ayurvedic treatment or homeopathic treatment or allopathic treatment, or if you are more comfortable discussing your health issues with a female doctor. We have 3 female doctors in each of the departments also. We have a medical staff which will hear you out, and they will give you a prescription. And once you receive a prescription, you can make a purchase of the product. So
It's so easy.
That's the process.
Okay.
To put it in a nutshell. Yeah.
So I want to conclude by asking you how your organization would like to have Impact Scientist as your collaborator.
Oh, in so many ways. First of all, I would like to say that we are so grateful that Impact Scientist has reached out to us and has done this interview with me. Seriously, that means a lot, right? And the many ways we want to work together is one thing. We want to manufacture with people that Impact Scientist is working with. So if Impact Scientist is the team that is affiliated with you, then I guarantee you that if you can build up something with whether it's hemp fabric or whether it's Ayurvedic products, we will promote it, we will sell it, we will take, and we would be happy and proud to do so, right? And possibilities are endless, whether it's in getting ambassadors for our brand or whether it's in providing training for cannabis nurses to people affiliated with Impact Scientists. We will make sure that every step of the yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It really means a lot. And Vinesh, thank you so much again for being on our show. And I hope to work with you and collaborate, and hope we do many projects and take this vision forward. Thank you.